Hey guys, don't forget that if you're looking to get in on the action of trading Dogecoin and earning profit with added advantage, you can capitalize on our 5% off offer on Binance. You'll get a discount off every trade that you make, and all you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. Welcome back to Crypto Fox. Today we'll be talking about Dogecoin's big comeback, and as we go through the video, we'll also be looking at some of Dogecoin's predictions both in the short term and the long term. If you're watching a video on this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like on the video and maybe share it with a friend as well. Dogecoin has been swimming through the lows for a few days now. We wouldn't exactly call it a low since it's reasonably higher than its price level at this time last April. From a high of about 40 cents, the public favorite crypto dipped about 50% of its high to settle at about 20 cents. This dip was an upgrade of the worst-case scenario expectations of some analysts who claim that the growth of Dogecoin has no legs due to its undefined utility. Therefore, it has no solid value attached to a particular use. As we prepare to enter the month of May, people are looking to forget the cloudy moodiness that surrounds the last 2 weeks of April and anticipate a comeback to the glory days of Dogecoin. The events of April remain relevant for now as it had its own bright moments, and as an analyst mentioned that even a dip can be a bright moment. According to CoinGape, we have an insight into the most recent events surrounding Dogecoin. On the intraday, Dogecoin led the day in green, while other coins continued to struggle. The green isn't really an indicator of a potential surge, but so far so good, and the coin's price is consolidating on the safe side despite the current general correction. Doge has had a wild ride in April, rising over 400%. The bullish rally has been halted as the cryptocurrency market continues its sell-off. Doge peaked at nearly 45 cents and sold off 65% at its low. The hype and euphoria surrounding Doge only lasted so long. Doge ended up flopping nearly 25% on the anticipated Doge Day. The price of Doge has been forming a falling wedge the past few days. This pattern is technically bullish, and the buy would be activated on the breakout of top trend. Major support to hold is 26 cents. If the price can continue to respect this level, Doge may have a try at its major resistance level of 31 cents. This price action shows Doge may be in for another fall, as the falling wedge pattern usually has a minimum of 2 rejections on each trend. When Dogecoin fell from its high of 40 cents, it couldn't hold any supports created the previous week. The price was finally held up by the MA100. This level provided strong support for the price of Doge as it rallied nearly 70% off its low of 15 cents. If Doge fails to hold 26 cents, it could be in for another fall to the bottom trend of its falling wedge. This trend is around the strong support area of 15 cents. While looking at the regular RSI, we can see that the strength is managing to trend upwards, although it can be signaled as a bearish continuation trend until the 50 level can break and hold. The stochastic RSI is telling a similar story as the strength is topped out in the overbought zone. Once the blue line crosses below the orange, a bearish wave down is expected. The current events might have put a stumbling block to the explosion of Dogecoin's price, which we enjoyed since the start of April. With Elon Musk always saying something right about Dogecoin, it's grown considerably. Currently, 20 cents represents a very strong support level. Doge has advanced from 5 cents to above 44 cents since the beginning of April, and the current price stands at around 27 cents. The current trend of this cryptocurrency remains bullish, but when trading Dogecoin, you should have in mind that the price could also weaken even more in the upcoming days. Dogecoin's price has exploded since the beginning of April, but this coin continues to trade in a buy zone. The dip zone is phenomenal for new buyers and those who still want to buy more of the crypto. There's no risk of the trend reversal for now. The support level is now set at about 15 cents. Optimism is high among Dogecoin investors, with the Elon Musk effect playing out positively for the fortunes of Dogecoin. Although Dogecoin has started to attract interest from more traders after Elon Musk said that the only thing hindering this coin from becoming the official currency of the internet is its high concentration level among a few rich people. He also has insisted that if the majority of large holders of Dogecoin release a larger amount of their stash, he would give the coin his maximum attention. It's been rumored that only a handful of people have monopolized about 50% of the total Doge supply. This has been rescinding Dogecoin from going entirely mainstream. The cryptocurrency market remains under pressure. The price of Dogecoin could weaken even more in the upcoming days, and maybe it's not the best moment for investing in this cryptocurrency. The critical support levels are 20 and 15 cents, and 35, 40, and 45 cents represent the current resistance levels. If the price jumps above 35 cents in May, it would be a signal to trade Dogecoin, and the first target could be around 40 cents. Rising above 40 cents supports the continuation of the bullish trend, and we have the open weight of 45 cents resistance level. On the other hand, if the price falls again below 20 cents, it would be a strong sell signal, and we have the way open to 15 cents. A testament to the Elon Musk effect is notable in Glauber Contesoto's story. The man is now a Dogecoin millionaire after investing over $180,000 back in February. Contesoto says he trusted that there must be something special about it. Without any delay, after knowing all the pros and cons of Doge, he invested over $180,000 on February 5th. As per him, he got motivated by how the Tesla CEO has consistently shared a positive tweet about Dogecoin. Of note, he invested his $180,000 when Doge was trading at 4.5 cents. Contesoto said he believes in Dogecoin's potential and bullishness even more than what we're seeing now. He also believes that Doge will build him a generational wealth. The price of Dogecoin has gradually started on its own recovery journey, though there is no clear direction. It's not impossible that there could be a continuous selling pressure, which may lead to bearishness regardless of whether investors jump on the current buy signal. There's been a noticeable difference in the ownership structure of Dogecoin. It's now made up of more traders than it used to. This suggests a drop in the number of hodlers, not counting the new hodlers who are just joining the fold. Many have used the events in April to quickly raise cash by selling off their holdings. Traders are now plenty looking to capitalize on the Dogecoin volatility. According to FX Street, such a change in the ownership profile leaves Doge exposed to wider price swings on the intraday basis and, potentially, less sustainable price traction as traders seek to capitalize on short-term gyrations in the overall cryptocurrency market. The Dogecoin price pattern has transformed over the course of the last 5 days. On the intraday charts, it began as a cup with handle base after the April 16th high, but then evolved into a symmetrical triangle pattern before collapsing through the lower trend line on April 22nd. Yesterday, Doge closed with a hammer candlestick pattern that triggered a buy signal today as the price rose above the hammer's high. The Dogecoin price rebound yesterday was impressive, but it only puts the altcoin in a range of resistance that will prove a challenge to overcome. Speculators are better off being patient than pursuing an aggressive approach, despite the buy signal. If a retest of the all-time high occurs, Doge will need to overcome resistance at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at 29 cents, and the lower trend line of the symmetrical triangle at 31 cents. Above the trend line is a bubble until the triangle's upper trend line at 42 cents. But there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. What's stopping you from investing in Dogecoin? Where do you see Dogecoin going in the next couple of weeks? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And while you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.